केंद्र सरकारान राफाल विकते घेवपा संदर्भांतली म्हत्वाची कागदां फायली सकट शेणयल्यांत अशें सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाक कळयलां. हाचोच अर्थ गोंयच्या मंत्र्यान कांय दीस फाटीं केल्लो आरोप खरे जाल्यात. तेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्षान बनावट आवाज तयार करून बदनामी करपाचे प्रयत्न चलयल्यात अशे आरोप करून काँग्रेसीकच भाजपान खोटे केल्ले. मात तेन्ना तो आवाज खरो काय खोटो हाची चवकशी पासून करूंक नासली. मात आतां न्यायालयान दिल्ल्या म्हायती वयल्यान एका मंत्र्यान केल्लो आरोप खरे आसले हें लोकांक आतां कळटलें. म्हायती हक्क अर्जा सकयल राफाल संबंदी म्हायती दिवपा खातीर सुरक्षेचें कारण सांगताले आनी न्हयकारताले. आतां मोदी सरकाराची फटिंगपणां उक्ताडाचेर आयल्यांत. एका मंत्र्यान केल्ल्या वक्तव्या वयल्यान सिद्ध जाता की ती फायल गोंयांतच आसा. आतां तरी सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान ह्या गजालीची पुराय चवकशी करची अशें गोंय काँग्रेसीचो अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकारान काँग्रेस हावजान घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत सांगलें.
And one respected cabinet minister has said that chief minister has claimed that all these files are in his bedroom. And that audio was out, but now it's almost 1.5 months that none of them have even went and filed a police complaint. So that means what they are saying in the Supreme Court, it looks like there is a link to Goa and to that audio, that these files are really here and that the files are missing. So I think the Supreme Court should also take this matter seriously, because the Defense Ministry is claiming that files are missing. It's a very serious issue. And in the other hand, the earlier Defense Minister says the files are in my bedroom. I don't know why this government is not even bothered to check with the Chief Minister or to check with this minister who has allegedly spoken in that audio. So actually it's a very serious issue, and they themselves have admitted in the court of law. It's open to the public.
Supreme Court should take cognizance of this recording that was released.
Of course, when the government, I don't know exactly what is that, but what we get to understand that some files are missing, something is going on there. Missing or stolen. So they have to, the first immediate lead that they get is the audio leak and the Chief Minister. Actually they should have filed immediately FIR against the present Chief Minister, who was earlier Defense Minister, and Mr. Vishwajit Rane, who has spoken about this, and we have not denied it. Government themselves have denied it. Means Chief Minister also denied it about the tape, and but Chief Minister never said that files are not with me in my bedroom. He never refused that files are not there. He never said it. He said about the audio, that audio is tampered, but he never claimed that the files are not with me. I don't know whether he has claimed, anybody has heard. Has he claimed? Never claimed it.
देशाचो पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी पुरायपणान राफेल प्रकरणांत घुस्पल्ल्यान गोंयच्या मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या दबावा सकयल वावुरता हें आतां स्पश्ट जाता. तेन्ना राफेल वेव्हाराची फायलीची म्हायती एका मंत्र्यान जाहीर केल्ली, त्याच प्रमाण हें सगळें चल्लां अशेंच दिसता अशें चोडणकार म्हणटा. पंतप्रधान दबावा सकयल आशिल्ल्यान गोंयच्या मुखेलमंत्री आजारी आसून सुद्दां मुखेलमंत्री बदलिना अशें चोडणकार पत्रकारां कडेन उलयलो.
And I feel the Prime Minister is already trapped. I don't think he has any way out to leave. So he's getting trapped from all corners, and I think Goa video leak, the audio leak has also contributed to the national defense.